Hi, babies. We already did the quote-unquote final video for Sanjay and Jack's litter, but guys, I have 4 puppies available. So I have done another one. This litter went home over the weekend. I don't even know what today is. Okay, so they just went home. I kind of have lost track of time right now. I'm just kind of in this weird time continuum. But anyway, I have 3 boys and 1 girl available. Now, I can't feel that, but that's a no. 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 We're not going to chew on toes. Nope. No. No. Not the toes. All good? All good now? Okay. All right. Come here for lovin's. He's like, no, I don't think so. I don't think so, Biff. Okay. Let me go through the boys, and then we'll go through the girls. So we have little orange collar boy here. Let's move your collar so we can actually see ya. Woo. Okay. Orange collar boy, the one that likes to lift his ear every once in a while. Yeah. There. Oh. Is it happening? He is a mama's boy. So he likes to be, he'll play. He's plenty playful, but he definitely likes to be in your lap. He is a soft cotton wavy. He is not a curly coat. And he is going to be, this is a petite litter. He's going to be towards the top of that, around 19 pounds. Maybe 20. Maybe close to 20. Okay. Hi! This is the little boy. This is red collar boy. He has this kind of light shimmer coat, darker ears, and he has white on his head, his snout, his chin, and shall we look at the chest? It's got white on the chest, on his front paw. Okay, see, there's Orange. Orange is always wanting to be in my lap. If you want a baby that's always wanting to be in your lap, that's him. White paws on the front and then just a little on the back. So it's just a little bit. But you can see, let's put you next to Orange. Can you see that difference in color? It's a light, I would say peanut butter with white tipping. It's going to lighten up. And he is so very sweet and personable, but he can also go play. He's not like, I must be with you. He is also a soft cotton wavy coat. Yes, so soft. I know, I'm here with you. All right, come here, Yellow. Are you going to jump? Are you going to jump? Do it. Go. Woo! Good job. All right, this is Yellow Boy, and he's actually turned out to be a little bigger than Orange. So I think he's going to be around 20 pounds, maybe just slightly, if ever so slightly over, but that just is because he likes to eat. But he is a soft, well, no, wait, there's a little bit of white on the chest. Oh, little tiny speck of white on the head. I mean, it's all very, very, very small. But he is another soft cotton wavy. And he is an absolute sweetheart. He is probably the more laid back of this crew. And he's also the darkest. So he would be considered a light red, not really a peanut butter. This one here would also be a light red. And then we have our little girl, our purple collar girl. I cannot believe she's still here. She is going to be around that 18-pound mark, and she is really got lighter colors in the face. She is a peanut butter color with, it will probably lighten up a little bit, but she's got just a little bit of white on her head and her snout and her chin. And let's check the chest. Yep, just a little bit on the chest. Not a lot, but she's got it there. See, yes. And her shyness, she's coming out of it a bit. But then again, she's around us a lot. So basically, she just needed some time to mature. from the time of puppy picking to really kind of warm up to everybody. You like the tummies? Yeah, we like the tummies. Yellow likes his standing on the block. You gonna jump? You gonna do it? Go. Go. Can you do it? Can you do it? Yeah, yeah. Oh, whoop, you fell off. Not really sure that counts. So anywho, these are available and like ready to go home now. They are 8 weeks old and they have been in their crates. Phil, are you still here? No, he's not here. I was going to ask him how they're doing in their crates because he's the one that gets them in the morning. And to my knowledge, they've been doing good. But I will find out if anybody's having some crating issues. We do our crate training. We start that here so that they get their crates when they go home. So we want our transition to be smooth from our house to your house. But anyway, I'll let you watch them run around here for a minute. And then we hopefully will see them find their forever homes.